Good day, everyone. Shalou here from beautiful Puerto Rico. I'm going to turn this around so you can see all the people out there on the sea-doos enjoying this hot, sunny day. We didn't make it down to the beach today because we had to meet with Dr. Ben. And now, we're just waiting for meeting up with the rest of the group for dinner. But oh my God, this is beautiful Puerto Rico. And we came down here for business, and there was certain things that were supposed to happen and go a certain way, and it's all working itself out. But today I wanted to talk to you about expectations, because when we have expectations and we there's this vision in our mind that things are going to go a certain way, and if you get a little bump in the road, just how difficult it becomes, right? Because now you're upset, now you're bothered. And what happens when you're hot and bothered? It's really hot in here, so I'm hot, but I'm not bothered. What happens, right? Your stress levels go up, so you have histamine, adrenaline, cortisol dripping. You're not helping anything. You're not helping your cause, because you cannot change what is happening around you. Whatever situation it may be that's come up, you can't impact that, but you're impacting your body in a negative way. So what's the best way to go through things when unexpected things happen, right? When things don't go according to your expectations? What I've learned is, one, go with the flow, right? Just go with the flow. Ask your questions, know what you got to do, but then just enjoy the moment. And for me, one of the things I always go with is I trust in the universe. I am constantly in communion with my higher self, my spirit guides, and I go, okay, what is the highest and best good for me? May the highest and best good for all prevail. And if that is my intention every day, every moment, then when bumps happen, I go, well, it must be in the highest and best good for all, right? Whatever's happening, there's a reason. And am I going to take that and let it affect me negatively? No, I love myself too much. I am no longer going to abuse my body by getting upset, right? And there's such a big difference in being assertive and aggressive, right? Most people will get mad and get aggressive. But assertiveness just says you hold the line, you ask the questions, you protect yourself in the ways that you need to, right? But you don't have to be aggressive about it. And I don't know, I've just found that ever since I've started looking at life in that way, at situations as they come up, and go, you know what? This isn't the outcome that I thought was going to happen, or this isn't what I was thinking was going to happen, but wow, let's see where this takes us. Let's see what happens here. And there's always such an amazing, profound lesson that you can learn. There's always such an amazing experience that you can have, and you get to know more about yourself. You get to learn more about how strong you are. Because when we just keep repeating the old cycles, if nothing changes, nothing changes. But when you change your reaction, you change everything. When you change the energy you bring to a situation, you change everything, right? And so I would just ask you to look at any situation, anything, any relationship. What are you expecting? And when you stop expecting, you stop judging. For me, right? When I have no expectations, then I just become the observer. And when I'm the observer, there's no judgment. I'm just watching. Oh, okay. What is that person doing? Oh, okay. What is that person doing? Oh, okay. What am I doing? What is my role in all of this? Like, you become that fly on the wall, right? And when you become the fly on the wall, you're not directly involved. You're just observing. It's like watching a movie happen, right? And then you're not coming from that place of disappointment or anger or expectation. And it's amazing when you bring that different energy into it, how the whole situation even changes. So here's me hoping that the highest and best good for all, may it prevail in all of our lives. May we all always be protected and loved, but first and foremost, may we always love ourselves. And if you're having a hard time doing that, right? I don't know. I didn't know how to do that. I didn't know how to love myself. I was going around hoping someone else would love me. My issues with unworthiness were so huge, I can't even tell you. And it wasn't until I learned to love myself that my whole world changed. And if you don't know how to do that, let me share the journey with you. I would be honored. We are doing a health and healing circle in Barrie, Ontario, November 23rd to 26th. You can go to braveheartnation.com and you can find the information there, or you can call me directly, 705-828-2257. I would love and be honored to witness your journey to self-love. Anyway, I hope you have the best day ever. Lots of love.